Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unwind and Connect. If you are new here, thank you for joining in. My name is Nidhi and this is my video podcasting channel Unwind and Connect, where we talk about topics such as law of attraction, motivation, meditation, business and much more. So, in today's episode, we are going to talk about the things which will not only help you grow mentally but will also bring positivity to your life. The things which we less speak about and we always forget to do. So, let's get started. The first thing is your mental health. Nowadays, many people come up with this topic of mental health and it is considered as a less spoken topic. Yes, it is true. Many people do not like talking about their mental health because they think that nobody will care about it and nobody will listen to them. But people who have mental health issues should always reach out to people around and should seek for help. We should always remember that our mental health is more important than anything in this world. Anything means anything. It can be your career, it can be your goals, it can be your targets, it can be your friends, it can be any event where you wanted to go, or any festival, or any kind of thing in this world. Because if you're not mentally okay, you won't be able to do anything in your life. You should never forget to work on your mental health and you should always give it a priority. People mostly work on getting their bodies fitter and they want to get attractive, but they should concentrate more on their mental health because that is a thing not many people talk about but everybody is going through. Remember, if your mental health needs you to let go of some situations or some people in your life, you should always do that because toxic people and negative situations contribute more into your mental problems and will make you suffer more. So, always remember that your mental health should be your first priority. The second one is the attachments. You should never attach yourself to a single place, a person, a organization or a company. You should always attach yourself to your goals, your targets, your missions in life and the values you follow because these are going to stay with you forever and they will contribute into your mental peace. And if you get attached to your set of values, to your targets in life, this is when you will be following your heart and nobody can hurt you. Always follow those and you will succeed in life. Getting attached to something that is not right for you will bring negativity and toxicity in your life and getting out of it might get very difficult for you. So always get attached to the skills and to the values you have in life. Do you know 99% of the harm that you are facing is caused by your own thoughts and by the things that are in your head. 99% of the times you are always stuck into negative thoughts and negative feelings, thinking about the things which are not yet happened or are going to happen. And the rest 1% of the harm is created by the actual reality that is happening, the outcome of your thoughts. Most of the time, people always fail to understand that the problem is not the problem. The way you react to the problem is really the problem. You should think about this again. You can fix most of the problems in your life by just fixing your thoughts and your mindset. If you have positive thoughts in your mind, you will not get stuck in any problems in life. Getting out of a problem should always be thought upon rather than thinking how did you land in that problem. If you want to feed a problem, keep thinking about it. But if you want to starve a problem, take action towards it. Because when you start taking action towards the problems will get solved very easily. Remember, problems always feed off your worry and your anxiety, and anxiety kills your action. You become anxious and you stop taking actions in your life, and this will harm your mental peace and your mental health. The next one is to focus on yourself. In this world where we see everybody hustling hard towards their goals, we always come across people who are successful enough and are earning in millions. We should always remember that people are not that successful how much you see them on Instagram and on YouTube and are not that pretty as filters make them seem. So, if you're trying to compare yourself with them, you are in a competition with something that does not exist. The only real competition should be the person who was yesterday and the person who is today, that is you. So try to make changes in yourself and everything around you will change automatically. As everybody is hustling hard towards everything in life, whenever you feel that you are losing yourself, if you feel like reaching out to somebody will help it, you should always go for it. Otherwise, the best thing is to spend time with yourself. It will not make you feel lonely. It will help you overcome whatever you think is lost. So spend time with yourself, have small talks, and you will come across whatever things you are lacking in life and how you should work towards them. We often get confused with the people's actions and what they actually speak. So I will tell you something that you should keep in mind. Don't trust people's words if their actions don't align to them. Because words are only what we speak and the actions are what actually we do. The words which they speak will only tell you what they think about you, but the actions will tell you what the real thing is. The most important thing is if you are missing something, it does not particularly mean that you need that thing back in your life. Missing some situations or people in your life is natural, but you should not take them back in your life because negativity and toxicity should not be a part of your life. It is always better to move forward in life rather than living in the past and getting hurt again and again. So, never let anybody enter your life when you know that person is toxic and harmful for your mental health and stability. No matter how much it hurts, you should always be strong enough to fight for yourself and to take action for you. These were some of the things which you should always keep in mind and which will help you keep your positivity in place and will help you grow mentally. Do not forget to implement these in your life and then you will be able to see the positive changes in your life. This is the end of the podcast. Please let me know how did you like today's video in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Unwind and Connect, and I will be back in the next episode with brand new content and new topics. Until then, take care, keep smiling and do not forget to be kind to the people around you.